Alright, y'all. I'm so excited. What's up, gods and goddesses? Today we are unboxing the Valentine's Day collection. Anyway, so with this mystery box, I got the deluxe and trying to hide this. I got the deluxe and it was 100 rolls. So let's see what's inside. While I'm opening this, I just want to say I'm sorry to everybody that couldn't get one. This is my very first time ever getting anything from this Mia. And I'm super excited. Yes, I know my background and everything's crazy. I just got the chills. Like, this is everything I got. Okay, so I got a hat. The Jeffree Star t-shirt with the logo on it. Medium. I got the lip gloss. This is so fire. Alright, I got the lip gloss and Legends Only. Yes. Okay. I got the little mystery. Let's open this right. So about the background, I just got back from a trip and I seen this land downstairs and I had to come do this. Okay, a little pink velour liquid lipstick. Okay. What's going on here? Why do they do that? I don't know. Look, this is my first time getting anything from here. Anyway. My favorite color is blue, but you know. The green straws from Jeffted Star. Yes. This is green. Like, should I be scared? What is this? Let's see. I got the mini jawbreaker. Yes. Whew. Should we open this right now? I'm trying to open this right now. This is quick anyway. Ooh, oh my god. Look at that. Ooh. This is crazy. This is beyond me. If y'all wondering what that is, that's just my vision board. I will be doing a video about that as well. But that's my vision board. Yeah, it's a look crazy. And I have a mirror and stuff. Doesn't matter. Okay. So, this is what I got. The 24 karat gold palette. Skin Frost Pro palette. Okay, let's open this up. For the people that don't know about this. Oh my gosh, just look at it. Ooh. Alright, let's open this baby up. Yes. My camera just died. Heartbroken, but anyway, we must go on. So you saw the 24 karat. I was gonna swatch it. Let's see. And do one right here. Here. I'm gonna do I did the first row. And that's all we're gonna do for now. I really don't want to swatch this mini jawbreaker. It's so cute. I can't do it. Anyway, the last thing I got. This feels really light. Black. Okay, dig it. I got a black one. That's cool or whatever. It is what it is. I'm glad I didn't get pink. No offense. But okay, so we got the straw mini jawbreaker. 24 karat gold pro palette. We got Legends Only. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I love this. First of all, y'all already know what it's going to look like on me. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. Iconic on its own or over any lipstick. I thought this was going to look bad on me. But it's pretty cute. I'm going to try this too. The way he be swatching. Alright. So we're going to go with this mystery color. Like, am I crazy? Anyway. This is it by itself. Whatever. I'm going to keep it on just to go through the rest of the stuff. Wow. Bam. Let's see this twizzle. Oh, I didn't know. Didn't do that. Yes. It says, I'm gagging, can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Jeffted Star approved. And iconic. Okay. So we live for an iconic moment. Anyway, and then this hat. Okay. I don't wear pink, but you know, I might wear this. Put it on my wall maybe. We'll see. But yeah, did y'all see that the new line he's coming out with? Oh my God. I just bought something from you. You coming out with something else this month? That's crazy. Or next month. This month is, I think you said this month. Yeah, this month. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I am so excited. It's the first time getting some stuff from him, like I said. And yeah, I'm getting stuff. The next launch, you will see me 2020. Let's get at. This lip gloss is cute. I don't know what I was thinking. It's actually really cute. And I love it. Like, what was I thinking? That's cute. This palette, this gold palette, everything. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like on my face. Let's go with King Tut. King Tut for, hold on. That's probably way too much, but why do I got something on my face already? I don't, I promise. Let's do this side. Wow, I didn't even, like, come on now. Wow. I obviously put a lot. I barely even dipped it. Bruh. Do y'all see that? I want to try a color. Let's try a legendary. I put way too much, expecting it to be like everybody else. Okay. That's sick. That's crazy. Wow. Can you tell I couldn't wait? Like, I couldn't even wait. I didn't do my hair. I didn't do nothing. I just came in here, came home, got my package, and said, hello. Wow, I can't wait to do a makeup look. Jeffree Star, I don't know about anybody else, but I'm excited. I'm happy. Everything was amazing. All this was amazing to me. Anyway, I didn't open this, but, you know. Wow. First of all, I'm disrespecting. Okay, they say Jeffree Star on the freaking straws. All of them. Fire. And I will be using these because I do drink Red Bull, but I only drink peach. But if anything is in a can or whatever, I drink it out of a straw. Actually, everything out of a straw. I might just order some blue ones because I was really praying to God I got some blue ones. But it's cool. Green is alright. I don't discriminate against colors. That's cool. Let's get into this mini jawbreaker. I didn't want to do it, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. So let's see. Let's go to Orange Crush. Let's go like this. I'm gonna do like this, and I'm gonna put it right. Let's try right here. That's cute. That's alright. It's alright. Ooh, it's purple. It's called Purple. Purple Punch. Okay. Okay, Purple Punch. Bubble gum. Oh my god. Let's go. Ooh. These are cute. Mini jawbreaker. Yes. Ooh, spice. What? Spice, yes. Ooh. Hot fudge. Come on. I messed it up. That's sad. Alright. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Alright, one more. Hot fudge. Hot fudge. Okay. I didn't really press on it, but okay. Thickening. Yes, Jeffree Star. Thank you. I will be buying more products. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We are all gods and goddesses. And guess what? You're worth it because if ain't nobody gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you. And you better act like you know who you are. Thank you. Come again.